Sorry, Dad.
Oh, is that yours?
Yeah, that's okay. Sorry. 2.
Are these rubbish bins?
Rubbery.
Rubbish, like, see here, it's rubbish like garbage can.
Oh, yeah.
You want to go camping?
No.
I got a horse.
No.
Horseback.
No.
I'm just saying, because this says $2 on it. I didn't bring my glasses, I'm sorry. Can you got glasses? I left my glasses somewhere. You see how it says?
No, that's $12.
Well, did you want to go camping?
No, it's okay.
I got marshmallows and a horse.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Bought it.
Mel's it. Oh. You think so?
Dude, touch. That's what I'm saying. Power to the people.
Yeah, I'm really so honest. This is actually.
I couldn't help but notice you were following me around the store.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You were following me around the store.
Oh no, we were just. We were just looking.
Okay. Did you want to sell your car?
Not
I got $17 in quarters. And a bag of full pizzas. I just bought a bag of full pizzas from here. You think this will make my face look fat?
I don't know, but you're very rude.
Sorry, yeah.
That's cute. Actually,
I didn't give enough time.
They smell pretty strong. I think we should neutralize them. That's it, even it out.
cashier number 3, please.
What place? Will you be my friend? Does this say pendant?
I don't know.
This? Pendant?
Can I
Yeah.
ask you for one more thing?
Yeah.
So I have a buddy.
Okay.
I
I might have got him before. I've been in here
That's
before.
the foreign looking dude. You might have seen me with him.
Where's he at?
He's at the paint desk. His name's Slav.
Slav. I can go try to find him real quick before I
Yeah,
leave.
he's at the paint desk.
Okay. Is your name Sal?
No, it's Slavchik.
Slavchik? Is that Slovakias?
No, it's Macedonian.
From the Macedonians of, is it like the Macadamians?
No, there's nothing called macadamia.
Well, what if we eat a cookie?
I don't got no cookies. You good? You got a stomach problem?
Yeah.
Don't walk it towards me, motherfucker. Don't do that.
Why?
Ooh.
You don't want it?
Stinkers.
So you're from Slovakia with the macadamia nuts?
Kinda.
Because I had the cookies.
You got the cookies?
Yeah, I had the cookies, but I'm not from Slovenia. I'm from Slovenia. With Slovenia, you know the firm of the electronics, the Slovenias? That's my daddy's mother's.
Whoa.
I'm sorry. You go. Hey, I just want to be completely serious with you guys for a minute. Some people want to know what happens afterwards when I tell them it's just a prank. I don't normally show that, but here's just a couple quick clips just to kind of give you guys an idea of what's going down after I fart and do my stuff.
Man, you scared me, dude. Holy crap, you scared me.
Yeah.
Dude. You're good, man. You're good.
You have a good weekend,
You
all
too,
right? I
man.
appreciate
Yeah.
you being cool.
Wait, how did you make that sound though?
It comes through the back though, so listen. Does it sound realistic?
I said to my granddaughter, I said, did he just do that at us? Oh, you stinker.
I try to keep it on a download, but I don't want to kick me out.
Oh, no, I didn't see it.
Ever see those fart guys on TikTok and YouTube? I'm one of them. I don't know if you reacted or not. Can I use it in a video? You did. It's called Super Stupid Poop. I'm on all the platforms.
Okay.
Just type that in, you'll see me, alright?
Okay.
Alright, you guys have a good week. Thanks for being cool.
Have you done it to anyone else in the store yet?
I haven't been in the store in about a year. I do all kinds of pranks, not
Yeah.
just farts, so.
But in here, have you done anyone other than him?
No.
Okay.
No, that was it. That was it. There's not a lot of people in here, so I don't normally do employees in case I try to come back, but,
Right, yeah.
Oh, no, we don't.
but you guys are cool. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Thank you. You guys have a good weekend. It's Super Stupid Poop if you look it up. Super Stupid Poop? Super Stupid Poop. Take care, guys. Oh, by the way, the group of guys by the fish tank, I didn't get to tell them it was a prank because they got kicked out of the store right after. I guess they were making such a ruckus that a store employee and a manager both came up to them, kicked them out, walked them out the front door. I didn't get that part on video, but you can hear some of the audio of them getting kicked out, so listen.
Guys,
Oh, no.
let's not do this today, yeah? Don't get out into the park.
Time to go, guys. Now.
And by the way, I'm still selling the fake poop and the liquid ass fart spray. If you guys want that, it's in the description box below. That's the link where you can go get yours. We'll see you guys. See ya!